different.
Allemaal de verste
Ook slimste. Allemaal se vensters.
Oh yeah!
G'day world, and welcome back to Stuff We Do, where we do all the knife stuff you love. Knife reviews, knife tests, knife modifications, and outdoor stuff with knives. Today we are here on location where I grew up, Grootvlei. Okay, and I quickly want to show you these things. These are just a few of when we grew up. We used to butcher our own meat, well, not always, but occasionally, and we had sheep and we had cattle and we had things like that. And in South Africa we used to go hunting a lot. Okay, so this is a very old steel. What does this thing say? Hand chrome plated. Okay, and as you can see, this thing, f.hirsch something company, Cape Town. Okay, so it's made in South Africa. And then I don't know what that one is saying. Edge tools something. And then this one, as long as I can remember, my father has always been a big believer in VICTORINOX butcher knives. Okay, now this is one of the big ones. We do have a few smaller ones also. And for a while, when he was still young, he actually worked as a butcher. Yeah, in his spare time, or when he was just starting out. So we've always grown up with the whole idea of butchering your own meat and things like that. Okay, so thank you for being with me for this quick look. Stay safe, happy, and have a good one. Bye bye.